Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover. Let's learn what to say first when you meet someone. 안녕하세요 is a polite greeting you can use any time of day with anyone. This word means hello, hi, polite. Listen.
안녕하세요.
This word means hello, nice to meet you. Listen.
안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다.
To close friends or peers, say the short and young. This word means hi, casual. Listen.
안녕.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
정중하게, 펄라잇, 친구에게, 캐주얼, 처음 만남, 퍼스트 미팅.
Informal or business settings, use the more formal 안녕하십니까? This word means hello. Very formal. It's the first time I'm meeting you. Listen.
안녕하십니까? 처음 뵙겠습니다.
This word means nice to meet you. Casual. Listen.
만나서 반가워.
Good morning, good evening. Did you sleep well? Korean has no separate morning, evening greetings. One 안녕하세요 covers all day. This word means, did you sleep well? Polite morning greeting. Listen.
안녕히 주무셨어요?
This word means, have you been well lately? Polite. Listen.
그동안 잘 지냈어요?
After greeting, ask 잘 지내세요 to keep the conversation going. This word means, how are you? Are you doing well? Polite. Listen.
잘 지내세요?
This word means, yes, I'm well, and you? Polite. Listen.
네. 잘 지내요. 당신은요?
Sure. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 안녕. 안녕하십니까? 처음 뵙겠습니다. 만나서 반가워.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Basic greeting, casual greeting, more formal, time of day greetings, asking, answering, how are you? Great work. Practice with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepig.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover. There are two farewell phrases depending on who leaves and who stays. To go. If the other person is leaving, say 안녕히 가세요. It contains gotta to go. This word means goodbye to the one leaving. Listen.
안녕히 가세요.
To stay. If you are leaving and the other stays, say 안녕히 계세요. This word means goodbye to the one staying. Listen.
안녕히 계세요.
This word means bye. See you again. Casual. Listen.
안녕. 또 봐.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
상대가 떠남, they leave. 내가 떠남, I leave. 친구끼리, be friends.
When hanging up or parting with someone you'll see again, soft farewells like see you next time are common. This word means see you next time. Polite. Listen.
다음에 또 봬요.
This word means take care getting home. Polite, said when parting. Listen.
들어가세요.
Sleep well. At night say sleep well. To someone traveling far, wish them a safe trip.
This word means good night. Sleep well. Polite. Listen.
안녕히 주무세요.
This word means go safely, get home safe. Polite. Listen.
조심히 가세요.
If you meet tomorrow, say see you tomorrow. For a short break, see you later. This word means see you tomorrow. Polite. Listen.
내일 봐요.
This word means see you later. Casual. Listen.
이따 봐.
Now, let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕. 또 봐. 다음에 또 봬요. 들어가세요.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. To the person leaving, to the person staying, on the phone and parting, night and safe trip wishes, when you'll meet again soon. Great work. Practice with native audio and quizzes at akorean.mycorepig.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover. Let's start with the polite forms. This word means thank you. Polite. Listen.
감사합니다.
This word means thank you. Polite, a bit warmer. Listen.
고맙습니다.
To a friend. See the short gomawo. This word means thanks. Casual, listen.
고마워.
This word means I'm sorry. Polite, listen.
죄송합니다.
This word means I'm sorry. Polite, softer. Listen.
미안해요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
고마움, 생스, 미안함, 쌀이.
When someone apologizes, reply gently with 괜찮아요. It's okay. This word means it's okay. Don't worry about it. Listen.
괜찮아요. 신경 쓰지 마세요.
This word means thank you so much. Listen.
정말 고마워요.
요섭니다 for real apologies. 실례합니다 to excuse yourself when passing by or interrupting. This word means excuse me, let me pass for a moment. Polite. Listen.
실례합니다. 잠깐 지나갈게요.
This word means I'm sorry I'm late. Polite. Listen.
늦어서 죄송합니다.
Adding deokbun credits the other person warmly. Thanks to you. This word means thank you for helping me. Polite. Listen.
도와주셔서 감사합니다.
This word means thanks to you. I finished it well. Polite. Listen.
덕분에 잘 끝냈어요.
취했네요. You're welcome. 아니요. No problem. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 고마워. 죄송합니다. 미안해요.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. saying thank you, apologizing, responding to an apology, excusing yourself, heartfelt thanks. Great work! Practice with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover let's learn simple answers and how to ask again. This word means yes, polite, listen.
네,
This word means no, polite, listen.
아니요,
영, 아니. You can also say 이 for yes. With friends, use 이응 and 아니. When you don't understand, politely say 니 or ask them to repeat. This word means sorry. Please say that one more time. Listen.
네. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요.
This word means please speak slowly. Listen.
천천히 말해 주세요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
네. yes. 아니요. no. 잘 모를 때. unsure.
Thanks channeling like that's right keeps the chat flowing. Joyo softens a request. This word means excuse me. Please help me with this. Listen.
저기요. 이것 좀 도와주세요.
This word means oh, really? That's right. Listen.
아, 그래요? 맞아요.
When you don't know, say 잘 모르겠어요. 잠깐만요 buys you a moment. This word means I'm not sure. I don't know. Polite. Listen.
잘 모르겠어요.
This word means just a moment. Hold on. Polite. Listen.
잠깐만요.
To confirm, ask 맞아요 or echo back with 라고요. This word means we are meeting at 3, right? Polite. Listen.
3시에 만나는 거 맞아요?
This word means you mean tomorrow? Polite. Listen.
내일이라고요?
Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
네. 아니요. 네. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. 천천히 말해 주세요. 저기요. 이것 좀 도와주세요.
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Yes and no, asking again, reacting and asking a favor, not knowing and buying time, confirming what you heard. Great work! Practice with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover let's learn expressions that share your feelings, meal greetings, congratulations, and cheering. Before eating, say 잘 먹겠습니다. After eating, say 잘 먹겠습니다. This word means I'll enjoy this meal. Said before eating. Listen.
잘 먹겠습니다.
This word means thank you for the meal. Said after eating. Listen.
잘 먹었습니다.
This word means congratulations. Listen.
축하해요.
This word means happy birthday. Listen.
생일 축하해요.
This word means good luck. You can do it. Listen.
화이팅.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
먹기 전, before eating, 축하할 때, celebrating, 응원할 때, cheering.
To someone going through a hard time, say 힘내세요. To someone ill, take good care of yourself. This word means cheer up. It'll work out. Listen.
힘내세요. 잘 될 거예요.
This word means take good care of your health. To someone unwell, listen.
몸조리 잘하세요.
Receive lots of New Year luck. At New Year, say 새해 복 많이 받으세요. A warm, polite wish. This word means Happy New Year. Polite, lit, receive lots of luck. Listen.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
This word means congratulations on your wedding. Polite. Listen.
결혼 축하해요.
Cheers. When raising glasses together, shout gyambae, just like cheers. Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
새해, 뉴 이어, 건배, 토스트, 아플 때, 웬일.
This word means cheers. You worked really hard today. Polite. Listen.
건배. 오늘 정말 수고했어요.
Fighting. Now let's practice. Read this out loud before I do.
잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. 축하해요. 생일 축하해요. 화이팅.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Meal greetings, congratulations, cheering someone on, comfort and well wishes, New Year and holiday greetings. Great work! Practice with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.